Trade show goodness coming up. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Blades. Sorry, my nose and my throat is a little bit nasally. I've been sick for a while now. I'm just trying to get over it. Listen, there's a trade show coming up. I should say a car show coming up in November 5th and 6th. The 5th is going to be a Saturday, and the 6th is going to be the rain day. It is going to be in the Bronx, New York. A friend of mine, Jimmy Voigt, I've had him on the channel before, is going to throw it. It's going to be about Mustangs, Corvettes, all kinds of Mopar. So if you're a car guy, I will put the information down below. We're still kind of building it a little bit. I will be there as a vendor. So if you guys are interested in actually touching one of my knives and you're local in the New York, New Jersey, Connecticut area, and you feel like coming down, please do so. Again, it's going to be in the Bronx, New York area. I will put the information down below in that little description box. What I am doing is I'm building stock for the show while also getting out product. All right, so what that means is I'm burning the midnight oil, working days and nights. And again, that's probably how I got sick. I got quite a few pieces of steel that are being made and a few of them that will be made. Okay, so don't worry if you have an order in, yours is taking priority. And if you don't have an order in, don't worry about it. You can watch me at the trade show and I'm gonna make sure that I have enough product to sell there. So again, mark your calendars. November 5th is going to be a Saturday. I think it's going to be like a 10 to 4 kind of thing. If you want to bring your car, I'll also put the email address down below. I think there's only about 75 spots for cars, and there's going to be 20 spots for vendors. It's a smaller show, but I think it's kind of nice to get out there. November could be iffy. So if it does rain, we're probably going to do it on Sunday if we get rained out on Saturday. And it's a really nice spot here in the Bronx. All right, guys, so what I'm going to do is roll the footage of me just doing a whole bunch of stuff trying to make this thing work. And as always, guys, thank you very much. And I appreciate it. Enjoy the show. All right, guys, I hope you appreciated that. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, share. Again, I apologize for my throat. I'm not feeling too well. Make sure that you add some comments down below if you're interested in coming to the trade show. Again, it's going to be in Bronx, New York. It's a car show, not a trade show. If you're interested, I'll put all the links down below. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, become a Patreon member. Go to 3riverblades.com. You can purchase a knife now and not have to wait online when you see me at the vendor spot. All right, guys, thank you very much. And as always, please stay safe.